Is egg beneficial for dogs?
Eggs are beneficial for dogs in moderation, providing essential proteins, fatty acids, vitamins, and amino acids. Crush eggshells if offered, as sharp edges may harm small dogs, and boiling is recommended to eliminate Salmonella bacteria. Some dogs may be sensitive to egg proteins, causing symptoms like coughing and skin itching. Raw eggs should be avoided due to potential Salmonella risk. The recommended daily egg intake depends on individual factors, but generally, most dogs, especially small ones, should not exceed 1 egg per day. Consultation with a veterinarian is advised for proper guidance.